This CNC machine, it is 3018. It is not having the limit switch. So problem is when you start, if it is touching the sides up down, so it can damage the uh, stepper motor. So we need to fix the limit switch on the side. So how we can choose? See, you can see here different kinds and different side styles, different kinds, different styles, and different pinouts. This switch is available. I order online for, I choose the CNC switch, but it came like this you can see limit switch is okay. One thing, it is open. So if you are doing anything wood, no problem. If you are doing metal and some parts of the metal go there and stick there, so it will mislead the CNC machine. Second is, this jack is 3 pin, so it not going to work because this machine having a 2 pin jack. So for that, this is the best jack. This pin, this female, this is male pin. It is having 2 pins and it is called XH 2.54, and this is 2 pin, this is its size. So this is I'm going to fix. I will show you the, also you can fix like this if you don't have that one, but the problem is that one, it will lock inside and this will not lock. Anytime it can be loosened, then it will mislead. Now I will show you the back side of the machine. Where is this pins we need to fix.